last year, our friends over at Boat Outfitters sent us these 5 beautiful cabinets for the SeaCamper build. Some of them are custom, others are units you can find already made on their website that you can just put into the cart and purchase. In the process of getting these cabinets, we needed to make sure that they were going to match our interior paint color. So Boat Outfitters does offer this very handy color wheel to match a bunch of different common topside paint colors. Ours are all in the white. So this was incredibly useful in the early stages of ordering our boxes. Another thing we're going to tackle this week is putting in these very beautiful cabinets and drawers from Boat Outfitters. So we have 2 drawers going in right here, a glove box going in here, a very, very exciting and beautiful custom fishing cabinet. So we have 2 drawers going in right here, a glove box going in here, a very, very exciting and beautiful custom fishing cabinet, and the rest of it is up on the flybridge, so.
Another glove box.
Oh, a glove box, and then...
Oh, a transom shower.
Yes, back here we have an outdoor transom shower that is from Boat Outfitters as well. So, a lot of exciting stuff.
This is so insane. I can't get over it.
Yeah, this is buck wild.
It's
getting crazy.
This is going to be the coolest project we've ever built.
It's getting crazy. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. This is the area where the custom box is going. The process of that was really awesome. Their team that works on the custom build, specifically Jason is who we worked with, walked us through the entire process, made sure that we were doing our measurements correctly, and then once he has all the measurements, he sent us a CAD mock-up of what our drawer would look like. So on that note, we're gonna go ahead and get started and start cutting holes and installing the cabinetry. Box 1.
I call it Sheila.
Sheila.
Let's go with your first one. Okay.
Too tight?
No, they're just leaning back.
All right, so this is the first test fit where it actually fit in the hole. I had to edit it a few times. And now we're just building our blocking for the back of this. So I feel like this is not something everybody will have to do. We installed them pretty high up off of the hull. They just needed a little extra support in the back. They look really good. And now Tommy's just building another one so we can test fit this one and see that it fits right. And then we'll try and get everything perfectly level here. It's really cool because this is the first time that we've seen we have so much extra storage room. So I'm gonna see there. When this one goes in, it'll come to about there, and then we still have access to the plumbing for the bathroom.
All right. It would be really hard if our only access to this big storage was just on top, so it's really nice we have these that we can actually keep stuff organized in here. We're gonna dry fit the glove box.
So let's fit this next one in, and then, yeah, they look so good. We have one area or one door we didn't even think about back when we were ordering these, but this front one, I think we'll end up getting another one.
Maybe even 2. Well,
So
now we'll match this whole area.
It'll look so clean. You can't slide it, right? This is the custom fishing cabinet that Jason from Boat Outfitters helped us design. So this is how deep this cabinet goes. There's a divider in here. He set us up with some Play-Doh trays that slide in here. So he set us up with 2, one for freshwater, one for saltwater. And then it is a latching locking double door cabinet.
And we still have big storage under here.
Those are not staying.
No.
We're gonna
remake these, but they're the perfect size, so we're keeping them as templates. There's still storage here too, but we're talking about adding some speakers or something. So we'll see what happens there. This is our last glove box. This one's locking and it's sealed for outside. Still need a window there. Nice. Deck's so small. Real. Drinking. We got all of our saltwater tackle right here, and then freshwater tackle in here, and extra hooks and stuff. Shout out to Boat Outfitters for our awesome, convenient setup. Honestly, I don't know where else we put that stuff.